Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how to organize your kitchen, and that too in a very perfect manner and an easy manner. Also I have done some DIYs for this kitchen which I will show you in my next video next week. For now let's start with the video, but also keep in mind that I have a very small kiddo at my home. Like, she is just a 1.5-year old, so I have made this kitchen a very safe place for her so that she can come and enjoy with me. So in this shelf I have kept all my spices, and I have kept all the spices in the mason jar so that it will be safe for the longer time. And also I have stick the note on all the mason jars so that it will be easy for me to pick whatever spice I want to pick. Also, the spices what I use on the daily basis, I keep them in a steel box, and the tadka item in a plastic box. So now I have 3 matching boxes in which I keep tea, sugar and salt, and just to keep it very handy I have kept it on the countertop with the matching flower pot, which is a DIY one. Now I had some more spices which I don't have to use for 2 months because I already have a stock in the mason jar. So I have kept all the spices in the plastic bottles, which is like the curd bottle or some other bottles which I can definitely reuse. So I have kept them in that. Now in the very first shelf of my kitchen I have kept all the things which I need just in the morning, like the apple cider vinegar, my dry fruits, or anything which has to go in the breakfast, like the peanut butter or the coconut flakes or anything. So like that I have kept in the first shelf. And also I highly recommend you to apply some adhesive paper first and then arrange your things so that it will keep your shelves always and always clean. So again, on the top shelf I have kept all the mugs, bowls, glasses, whichever thing I need very often in the day. But then again also I have kept it on the top because it makes the area safe for Nirvi to play around. And for just in case I have kept some disposals and some tissues over there. To be honest, we don't use breakfast bar, so I keep my fruits over there, sanitizer just in case if I need to sanitize, and my filter and the mug and some glasses just to keep it handy for Nirvi and for us. I literally have kept this filter so high because Nirvi was able to reach to that, and it is really dangerous. This paper towel and kitchen towel holder is a DIY. Now on the shelf which is above the fridge I keep all the lentils which is in the stock, and also the disposals which I don't use very often. Now on this part of countertop I keep all my appliances so that it is easy for me to use them, and also I unplug them whenever I'm not using, so it's easy for me to keep Nirvi up on the counter for the sometimes. Now I like to keep chopping board and bottle cleaning brushes very handy, so I have used push pins for it and just near to the sink so that if the water drops from it, it just goes directly on the countertop or on the sink, so it's easy for me to clean. Now for the spoons I have used a little organizer, so in that I also keep my knife and also the scissor, all the things which can be little dangerous for Nirvi. I have kept it little high, and all the things with which Nirvi can play, the plates or the tongue, I have kept it little bit on the lower shelf. And also I have kept all her things on the very down shelf so she knows where are her stuff. Then my dustbin is there just beneath the sink area, and my empty bottles will be there so that whenever I have to trash I just have to open and take all the things out. I wash all the dishes by my hand, and then I keep directly them into the dishwasher, not to wash them but just to keep them over there so that excess water can drop off and I can easily dry them with the kitchen towel and put them back. Now I have 2 baskets for all the things which need to be outside the fridge. Then on the upper shelf I keep all the things related to camera, and on the upper shelf I keep all the Pyrex boxes and the tiffin box of Nimish. So if you have this kind of a stuff in your kitchen, so definitely use aluminum foil to keep it clean. Now I don't use this oven so often because I already have a small one, so I keep all my big pots and the lids over here, so it's really handy for me and safe for Nirvi again. Now on the very down shelf, which is the shelf of oven, I have kept everything related to like grilling or aluminum foil or poly bags, which can be really dangerous for NIRVI. So I have kept it in like under the air, so it is safe for her to come around and play. And I have kept all the lentils which I use so often and oil over here in the down shelf. And I have intentionally used the plastic bottles to keep all the lentils in the down shelf, so that if my kiddo comes, she can play with that. Now this kitchen rug is again a DIY, which I will show you in my next video. The down shelf, I have used 2 boxes to keep rice and wheat flour, which we use so often, and in the very down shelf I have kept my appliances which I don't use so much. Then in the down shelf, which is just next to the oven, I have kept all the snack items and breakfast items, so that if NIRVI comes, she can tell me what she wants, just like bundi over here in one box, and some oats, some cornflakes, and anything which she can eat just as snacks, like popcorn as well. So guys, this is how I have organized my kitchen. I hope you really found it useful, and if yes, then please like this video and share it with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp group. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I have so many amazing videos coming on your way. Write in the comment section what you love the most about this video. And yes, I have started again vlogging on my vlog channel, which is Pragya Vlogs. So yes, come there and say hi on my recent videos. And yes, I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.